Hello, my name is Mateo Prada Jimenez. My registration or ficha number is GA3 240202501881 EB02. My instructor's name is Jonathan Corpus. The activity I am working on is about identifying my attitudes, beliefs, and obligations in my academic and work contexts. My attitudes, beliefs, and obligations are, in my experience as a digital animation student and worker, I believe that having a positive attitude is essential. I think that being open to learning new techniques and feedback helps me improve my skills. I try to stay motivated and committed even when facing challenges. My personal beliefs is that I believe that continuous practice is necessary to excel in digital animation. I think that teamwork and collaboration are important in both my academic projects and work environment, and I believe that creativity and innovation are vital to producing quality animations. And my personal obligations are: as a student, I have to complete my assignments on time and attend all classes. I must dedicate sufficient hours to practice and develop my skills. As a worker, I should meet deadlines and communicate effectively with my team. I have to stay organized and responsible to balance my academic and professional duties. Necessary actions. I have to stay disciplined and manage my time efficiently. I must seek feedback to improve my work. I should remain committed to my learning goals and professional growth. It is necessary to stay updated with new animation tools and trends. In summary, my attitudes, beliefs, and obligations shape how I approach both my studies and my work in digital animation. Staying motivated, responsible, and open to learning are key to my success.